See that? Here's the texture that your cake should be at this point. So I'm just going to swipe the sides and get this ready so that we can add our vanilla. And we're going to do 1 teaspoon. Of course, I don't measure everything, so I'm just going to kind of pour about a teaspoon in there, a little bit more, depending. And again, this recipe is truly to taste. So if you know that you're a cake lover and you like more vanilla, or if you don't like as much vanilla, you can do that. But again, remember, not with the cocoa. This is not a chocolate cake chocolatiers. So let's mix this in. And again, we want to make sure that our ingredients are distributed evenly. So we're going to take our time and mix.